Rakuten Marketing Partner Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the Rakuten Marketing Partner Program. If you're considering joining, I've included links in the description below. Rakuten Advertising, formerly known as Rakuten Marketing, is a well-established affiliate network that connects publishers with top global brands. It's a great choice for affiliates looking to promote high-quality products while earning competitive commissions. In this video, I'll cover how it works, its key features, who it's best for, and my experience using it. Rakuten's platform offers a wide range of advertisers, including brands in fashion, electronics, finance, and travel. Signing up is free, but you must apply to individual merchants before promoting their products. Unlike Amazon Associates, which has a low commission structure, Rakuten allows affiliates to work directly with premium brands that often offer higher payouts. The dashboard is user-friendly, providing detailed analytics on clicks, conversions, and earnings. Rakuten also has deep linking tools, allowing affiliates to link directly to specific products instead of generic landing pages, improving conversion rates. One of Rakuten's biggest advantages is its strong global presence, meaning affiliates can promote products in multiple regions. Additionally, the platform offers flexible payment options, including direct deposit, checks, and PayPal, with a low payout threshold of $50. Another key feature is advanced tracking technology, ensuring affiliates receive proper credit for sales, even if a user switches devices before completing a purchase. However, there are some downsides. The approval process for some merchants can be selective, making it harder for new affiliates to get started. Also, commissions vary significantly between advertisers, so some products may not be as profitable as those on other networks like CJ Affiliate or ClickBank. Payouts are net 60, meaning it can take up to 2 months to receive commissions, which might not be ideal for those looking for faster payments. Overall, Rakuten Advertising is a solid choice for affiliates who want to work with high-end brands and earn competitive commissions. It's best suited for experienced affiliates with a strong audience or niche website. If you're ready to get started, check out the links in the description and sign up today.